Hello guys, you're welcome back once again to my channel, and on today's video I want to introduce you to a new mining application here. And of course you can see it is actually called the Infinity Network. So this is the Infinity Network here, and they are just new in the system. It's just a new launch mining application here, and from the research I have made so far, I think it's actually worth giving it a try. And of course I will always tell you that you have nothing to lose, in as much as you are not investing anything. There is no gas fee to spend. It's just to come and mine every single day. So I thought it wise to bring to you so that you can also join now that it's just launched early. And once you become one of the early adopters, one of the early users, I believe so much you stand a lot to benefit. And this particular mining application has actually been making waves, despite that they are just a new launch mining application that have not been long. They just started newly, but yet they have been making waves. So if you come to this place, you can see in this place most of the announcements they have made in this particular place. You can see just announced exciting news for IN coin. So this is their native coin, which is the Infinity Network. So the symbol is IN coin. Our total supply is 2.1 billion. So this is to show that they have just launched their native token, which is the IN token, and their total supply is actually 2.1 billion. Of course you can see it here, and mining speed will skyrocket in our next update. Get ready for an enhanced mining experience. So of course you can see it that despite that they have launched, their mining speed is actually going to increase from their next update. So that's why I'm telling you that this is the best time to actually dive in and become one of the early adopters of this particular mining application. And if I come down again, of course you can see another announcement here, and this one talks about Infinity Network Twitter account. This is where they got verified. So their account got verified on Twitter. That is their Twitter handle. And then in this other place here, you can see that they have partnered with Gazi, and the Gazi platform is a platform where we go and perform some tasks and get rewarded for that. And of course you can see they have partnered with them as well. So this is why I say that this particular mining app is actually making wave despite being new into the system. So I'm going to be showing you how you can just get registered, join them on their Telegram platform, and then start mining as early as possible, because once you become one of the early users, that is when you will even benefit more. So I will also recommend that you register on this particular mining app and then start mining immediately. So to register is very easy. You can just click on the link in the description of this video, and I'm also going to pin it in the comment section for easy accessibility. So once you click on that link, it's actually going to take you to the Google Play Store, where you actually download the app. That link is actually their Google Play Store application, where you will download their application. And of course you can see this is where it will bring you, and this is the Google Play Store where you need to download the application. And for me, of course you can see that I have downloaded the application. That is why it's showing me open here. And for you who have not actually downloaded it, what you'll be seeing here is install and not open. So you just go ahead, install it, and once you install it, then you go ahead and click on open here. Just have to come here and register your account. And of course registration is very simple and pretty easy. You just have to input your email address here, then choose your password, re-enter the password again, and then click on register. So once that is done, you are good to go. So once that is done, the next thing you need to do is to come here and put your full name in this particular place here. You just have to come here and input your full name, and then you can choose your username here and get started as soon as possible. So I'm going to fill this and then confirm it in this particular place so that we'll continue. And then once that is done, this is where you will have to input my referral code here, which is what you are going to be seeing on the screen now. You are going to see it on the screen, and I'm also going to drop it in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. So you have to put my referral code here, and then you come over to this other place and click on continue. And of course I'm also using someone else's referral code, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it and then continue. And this other place is where you will see your account recovery password here. This is the password you can use to reset your account anytime it got issue. So all you just have to do is to copy it and make sure you keep it in a safe place, and don't also share it. Once that is done, then you have to come to this place and check this box that you have read and agreed to their terms. So once you check the box, then you can go ahead and click on copy and continue here. Of course, you can still look at the copy and continue. Just come here, click on copy and continue. And of course, you can see the next page here. This is where I will need to come and start mining. I will just have to click here to start mining. And then in this particular place, you can see click on start to keep collecting in for next 24 hours. So it's just once every 24 hours you come and click on it, and it will start mining. And of course, you can see mine for a better future. And then this is their address here. This is their link and everything that you need to know about them, in case you want to go and make more research about them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this start so that you see, and of course you can see starting. And then my mining application has started. Of course, you can see in this place that it is mining right away here. Of course, you can see this thing is turning, moving, showing you that it's mining. And here, of course, you can still see that it's moving. And then you can see that the next mining time will be 24 hours later. That is 23 hours and some minutes. That is when I will come back again to mine. So if I come to this hamburger sign here, this menu button, and then click on it. So once I go to my menu platform here, of course you can see here we have wallet, then we have mine in, which is the Infinity Network token here, and then we have the leaderboard for those that are already mining, and the next one is the utilities, then the team. So if I go to my wallet, let me just show you. Pretty simple. If I go to my wallet, of course you can see a lot of other things. You can see withdrawal, you can see history. This is where you will see your withdrawal history once you start making withdrawal here. And of course, this is where you can actually make withdrawal here when the time comes. And then if I go back again and mine in, of course you can see that I'm already mining in this particular place here. Of course you can see it here, and this is the base rent in here, and there are all those stuffs. And then if I go back again and go to leaderboard, of course you can see some of the people that are already leading in this mining application here. You can see them. Just check it out from your own, you will see them. And then utility, this is where you will now go and check everything about this particular project. You can go ahead and check their white paper, read it, so that you even understand and know that they actually have a good use case and that the project worth giving them a trial. And here is where you can report if you have any bug or any issue. And this is where we'll be doing our KYC verification. And this is where if there is any event, you just go here, you will see all their future and upcoming events. So you can just take your time, go through it, and then you are good to go. Just if I come to my team, you can see this is where I will have my team. So if you go ahead and use that my referral code and register, we will now be in the same community, will now be in the same team. So you will belong to my team, and I will also belong to your team. So that is why it's important to use my referral code, and it's also a way of saying thank you to me for the great video. And I swear we will all be in the same team together, and I would love to be in the same team with you. So go ahead and make use of my referral code. And then if you come to this place, this is where you will actually see your profile. So you can just take your time, go through it. And then lastly, in this place, this is where you can follow them. If you are not already following them on Twitter and Telegram, you can come here and follow them. You can see Instagram as well, you can follow them on Instagram. And this is Medium, you can also follow them on Medium. So just take your time, go through them. Just as I said before, it's actually worth giving them a try, because for the little I've actually made study about them, I think I'm go comfortable with them and just good with them. And I prefer to be an early user in this particular mining application, so that by the time they are going to get bigger, by the time they are going to get stronger, we that started with them will have an added advantage over others. So thank you once again, and go ahead, use my referral code which will be in the link in the description of this video. Use it, register, and then start mining immediately. Thank you once again, and see you in my next video. And remember to subscribe to this my channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and then like this video, share this video. See you in my next update. Bye for now.